I'm going to show you how you can easily make a search comment on YouTube. First, open YouTube in your PC by going to the official website. Then find and open the video you want to comment on. Now scroll down on the comment section located below the video. Then click on the Sort by drop-down menu usually located near the top of the comment section and select Newest first. This will display the most recent comments first. Next, scroll through the comments until you find the one you want to search for or refer to. After that, copy the comment you're interested in by either right-clicking and selecting Copy. Now, press Ctrl+F on your keyboard to open the search bar in your browser. Then paste the copied comment into the search bar. Finally, the browser will highlight any instances of the comment in the page, allowing you to easily locate it.